just lost our wheel. And then Steve, we see a Sunoco sign, so we were going to drive down there real quick because we're literally on the side of a roadway right here. So also he left the lights on apparently, and we just jumped our own battery because he left the lights on, didn't he? Mm-hmm. So first experience, we are nope. All right, everybody in, because we're going to get our tire changed so that we can go home. So there we are. Two truckers and a guy told us about it as they were, no, one trucker and one guy told us about it as we were driving, and then we just pulled off the side of the road. Riker, here, come on. I'm getting him in. Careful. In your seat. Get in your seat. Make sure you have everything. Careful, Riker. What did Daddy do? Did Daddy blow a tire?
You're in the wall going down.
What is that? Down.
Down. I tried to drive.
No. Maybe you could drive better than Daddy. What do you think? So first boo-boo on the road, right? Leo?
Our temper has 5 tires.
Mm-hmm. And we didn't know about it, did we?
Yeah.
Till people were hollering at us on the drive. And they were telling us that something was wrong.
Is our flat tire store?
This is a Sunoco, which hopefully they will be able to put a tire on. Here, you can talk about your tire.
Well, let's just say after my wife was driving, everything was fine until someone started blowing their horn at me, letting me know that something was wrong with the back of the trailer. So we decided to pull over at the next exit and found out we had a blown tire, which I think we have multiple pictures of before I made this comment. So now we are getting the tire replaced at the gas station. Luckily that was like one block off the exit and had a spare tire our size.
Yeah, we couldn't have asked for better looks.
Yes. So needless to say, if you're buying an RV, make sure you have dual axles, because you can just imagine if it would have been a single axle, what kind of damage that would have done to that trailer. Before buying the trailer, multiple people posted on YouTube about having a single axle or a dual axle and the damage you could have by not having a dual axle trailer. So after doing the research, this actually did pay for itself. This would have been thousands of dollars and may even cause a serious accident. So, Interstate 81 around Monohoy City, the roads were so bad it blew out one of our tires. Luckily, other motorists told us that something was wrong by blowing their horns. Even the trucker blew his air horn. So we pulled over to the next exit, and luckily there was a gas station there that stocked all size batteries. And after
Tires.
I'm sorry, all size tires, yeah.
Now, why did you say battery?
Oh, because the battery's dying on us now all of a sudden. I'm not sure. I think it's the trailer pulling the load off the battery.
So we literally turned the car off for 15 minutes. You walked over there and talked to the guy.
Came back with the lights on, the engine off. It killed my battery. So I have to figure out why it's doing that, or if the battery just needs replaced.
And what did we end up having to do?
Jumping the battery with the trailer battery.
For the second time.
Except for this time, I just laid it right on top of the battery with the terminals instead of pulling everything out. There was just enough contact there that I didn't have to yank the battery out.
Oh my goodness. So what was this guy saying again? About 81 south? That basically...
Whoever paved the road did a horrible job, because he is selling minimum of 5 tires a day of people with blown tires because of the road being so bad. And he says the maximum he did was 15 tires in one day because the road is so bad. 81 by Monohoy City. So be careful and check your tires.
It was a very quick turnaround though. We are back on the road 6:30. And I think it probably happened at 6:05.
Right. Likely it was, the gas station was right there off the road, right off the exit.
So we are back on the road again. The guy did seem very well equipped to change a tire on an RV.
Right. He says that he stocks every tire size now, just because of the interstate being so bad. He actually had 2 in stock.